Okay, so we've proven that an input to a function keeps its properties. So when we input a string into this function, we can trim and uppercase it. What that means is that if we wrote a function, it could probably take another function and call it because a function should keep its properties when it's passed as an input, and a function has the properties that you can call it. So let's just see how that works. So let's comment that out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new function, and I'm going to say function um, alert caller. And then I'm just going to give it an input function, is what I'm going to ask for as an input. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to call the input function. So I'm going to use my alert caller. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass in alert. So if this works, it should take alert as an input function, and then it should call alert. So let's save this, and let's go here, and we get an empty alert box. If we inspect our code, and we put a breakpoint on line 22, and we reload the page, it comes here, says alert caller. What are we passing in? Well, the function called alert. If we hit next, if we hover over input function, it is a function called alert. We hit next, it calls the alert, and we're done. So now we know that a function can take a function and call it. Why is this helpful? Well, because it means that someone can pass a function in, and we don't need to know what their function is or what it's called. We can just take it as an input and call it. And in the next video, I'll demonstrate why you might want to do that.